With the ongoing teacher shortage plaguing schools across the island, a suggestion this evening that artificial intelligence can be used to fill the gap. Sandy Williams has more in this primetime news follow-up.
Concerns about teacher shortages have heightened. In the latest Sunday Gleaner, we've counted 27 high schools advertising vacancies for teaching positions. The Ocherias High School in St. Anne is seeking 20 teachers. Glenmuir High wants 16, while Yallas High School in St. Thomas and Dintle High School in St. Catherine are in need of at least 14 teachers each. President of the Jamaica Association of Principals of Secondary Schools, Linvern Wright, says the number of vacancies being advertised at some schools may not be final. He explains that there are still some teachers who have intentions to leave but have not yet submitted a resignation.
I don't even think at my school I'm sure of what is happening, because I'm hearing anecdotally that more persons are going to leave than had left last year. I had 9 who left for sure last year, plus another 3 who left during the year. So that was all of 12 persons who left. And I'm getting it that they are going to be more. I have maybe about 4 or 5 resignations so far. But others are just coming in and telling me that they're going to the embassy. So we have to wait for the official announcement or the official letters. But we're still making plans. We're still sending out ads and trying to recruit.
Mr. Wright says the situation is not new, adding that over the years, some schools have been recalling retired teachers to help fill the gap. Another solution, artificial intelligence. Founder of the Jamaica Artificial Intelligence Association, Matthew Stones, believes gradually introducing AI in schools could help bridge the teacher shortage gap.
What it can do is allow for a single teacher to do more. So maybe we don't need as much teachers. I think teachers are important. As we've seen with the recent pandemic, just relaying information sometimes is not enough. Having that human-to-human contact can be very important. But I do think AI allows for a single human teacher to do more. So maybe you don't need as much teachers as before.
But can AI completely replace teachers?
Let me tell you something. Nothing about the research shows that technology by itself helps. What we really want are good teachers, experienced teachers who know how to use the technology. So it's technology. Number one is good pedagogy. Okay, let's remember online learning, that it was so ineffective, and that was about technology, right? What you really want are good teachers to arrange, organize, and structure lessons in an engaging way for students. So whether it's technology or not, there is need for a brain to engage the students in a particular way, in a focused way, so that they can learn what it is that they're supposed to learn.
As far as the technology is right now, I don't see it completely replacing a human teacher. There's still important things that are having a human teacher there that the AI can't at the moment replicate. But I do think there is a future where possibly, we could see classes where you have, fully automated, fully AI teachers. That is a possibility.
Already, in some jurisdictions, AI bots are being used in the classroom. Given the current situation, it is felt it may be sooner rather than later before they are introduced in Jamaican schools. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.